Greetings, garden enthusiasts. It's a pleasure to welcome you back to the YARD Mojo channel. We're your go-to source for all things green, serene, and downright therapeutic. Today, we're visiting a green space for wellness that helps nourish the body, mind, and spirit. We're talking about the unique and transformative world of the therapy garden. Whether you're experienced or new to gardening, we have something interesting for you. Stay tuned as we delve into the wonderful world of therapy gardens. Imagine a calm outdoor space that improves your environment and uplifts your mood and well-being. That's what the therapy garden does. These gardens are designed using evidence-based research to help people feel better physically, mentally, and emotionally. Everyone can use them, no matter how old or physically able. They also have wheelchair-friendly pathways. The gardens have flowers, trees, and quiet places for solitude and reflection. The gardens celebrate nature's diversity. They have many plants, trees, and natural elements. These things enhance the garden experience. Sensory elements like fragrant herbs and soothing sounds are a key part of therapy gardens, along with sustainable practices such as water conservation and native plant use. Regular maintenance ensures that the garden remains a safe and attractive sanctuary. So you see, the therapy garden is more than just a pretty space. It's a sanctuary for the mind, body, and soul. To create a therapy garden, you need to plan it well. It should be diverse, uplifting, and easy to use. When creating an environment, the first thing to consider is accessibility. It should welcome everyone, regardless of age or physical ability. This means incorporating features like wheelchair-friendly pathways and easy-to-reach planters. Now let's talk about diversity. A therapy garden is not only about a touch of greenery, it's a celebration of nature's gifts, like plants, trees, and natural elements. This diversity not only beautifies the garden, but also enhances the therapeutic experience. Picture a garden that's always in a state of change, displaying a variety of colors, textures, and scents. It's a place that never fails to amaze and captivate. This brings us to sensory elements. A therapy garden should be a feast for the senses. The calming effect of fragrant herbs, rustling leaves, and butterflies is profound. You can create a peaceful atmosphere by adding a small fountain or pond. The sounds of water can help soothe you. Sustainability is another key aspect of designing a therapy garden. One option is to use plants that are native and need less water and are resistant to pests. Another option is to conserve water by collecting rainwater or using drip irrigation. Regular maintenance is also vital to keep the garden safe and attractive. This includes tasks like pruning, weeding, and checking for pests. But don't think of these as chores. Gardening itself is therapeutic. It offers opportunities for physical activity, stress relief, and even learning. So, what does all this boil down to? A therapy garden is more than a collection of plants. It's a crafted environment that nurtures the body, mind, and spirit. It's a space that fosters connection with nature, with us, and with each other. A therapy garden should appeal to all senses and provide a safe place for everyone. Gardening in itself is a therapeutic activity. It's not only the tranquil surroundings of a therapy garden that bring about healing. Gardening helps improve both your body and mind, making you feel better. Imagine this. You're outside, your hands are in the soil, you're nurturing life. You're part of a cycle that's as old as time itself. This connection with the earth, the sensation of soil against your skin, is grounding. It brings you back to the moment, alleviating stress and anxiety, and the benefits don't stop at mental well-being. Gardening is also a gentle form of exercise. It encourages mobility, flexibility, and strength. All that digging, planting, and pruning are great for enhancing physical health and endurance. But the magic of gardening goes even beyond the physical and mental. It also nurtures emotional well-being. It's satisfying to watch a seedling you planted grow into a flower or plant. It offers a sense of accomplishment, a boost of self-esteem. Moreover, gardening teaches patience and mindfulness. It's a reminder that growth takes time, that beauty unfolds at its own pace. And in this fast-paced world, that's a lesson we can all benefit from. Gardening therapy is also an opportunity for learning. You can learn how nature works, how species rely on each other, and why biodiversity is important. It's a hands-on way to grasp the principles of sustainability and conservation. Whether you're planting or walking in a therapy garden, each moment is a step toward wellness. There's no denying the transformative power of therapy gardens. We've explored these amazing spaces to see how they can improve our health and happiness. We've talked about how important accessibility is, and that everyone can enjoy the healing touch of nature, regardless of age or physical ability. We've spoken of secluded areas for reflection. We talked about the therapeutic act of gardening itself, and the role of plant diversity for an enhanced garden experience. Garden design needs to include sustainability, safety, and comfort. Regular maintenance is also important. The pleasant smells and calming sounds make our experience even better. Remember, a therapy garden is more than just a beautiful space. It's a place of healing and learning, a testament to the restorative power of nature. Thank you for joining us today on Yard Mojo. If you found this enlightening, do give us a like, share, and subscribe for more garden magic. Until next time, keep your green thumbs ready.